Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll walk you through how to create a real trading account on Exness, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and go to exness.com. Click on Open Account in the top right corner. Step 2. Fill in your email and create a strong password. Choose your country and preferred account type, Standard or Pro. Step 3. You'll be redirected to your personal area. Now click Complete Profile to verify your identity. Step 4. Provide your full name, residential address, and date of birth. Make sure the info matches your ID. Step 5. Upload a clear photo of your passport or ID card and a proof of address like a utility bill or bank statement. Step 6. Wait for Exness to verify your documents. This usually takes a few minutes to a few hours. Step 7. Once verified, you'll see the option to fund your account and start trading live. That's it. You now have a real Exness account ready for trading. If this guide helped, please like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more finance and trading tutorials.